So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put our worksheet in the middle. This is our blueprint, and this is going to be essential to how we make our paper airplanes. We have this one as an example, and later you'll be able to do some on your own with the other packets that are in this project packet. So we're going to start off with the arrow, which is the name of this paper airplane. And again, it's really important to stress that it's important that one side and the other side of the wing are symmetrical, otherwise the plane will fly lopsided. Now, according to the instructions, we have to put this up. The paper is upright, just as it says right here. And then we're going to fold on line 1 as visible on the dotted lines, just as shown in the diagram. So I'm going to fold on line 1, which is going to line up to the middle. And you really want to make sure to crease these multiple times, because the more defined the plane is, the better it will fly. So I have one on one side, and then I'm going to do one on the other side as well. Okay, so we have 1 and 1. Here we go. Now, we're going to go on to our next instruction sheet. Here, it says to fold on line 2. So here we have line 2 and line 2. So what we're going to do is fold diagonally so that it meets in the center at line 2. So this is line 2 on one side, and then we're going to repeat it for the other side as well. Now, the next thing we're going to do is fold down on 3. Now, if you flip this over to the back side, you can see the line for 3. And you're just going to fold it over so that 3 meets 4 right over here, where it says 4 on the paper. Now, you really want to crease this well because it will help to fly the plane more efficiently. Okay. Now, we have to do step 4. So we see 4 is here. We're going to have this facing upwards, and then we're going to flip it over, and we're going to fold it in half where 4 is, so that the wings line up as such. Line up the wings, and then you can clearly make the middle symmetrical. Now, this is going to be 5. We're going to fold on 5. This line, and 1 on each side again. Okay, now we're going to do it with the other side. Okay. Now remember, it's important to have them symmetrical. You want to make sure both wings are the same size so that it flies correctly. Now that we have both of these wings all folded and our paper airplane, we're going to take 2 small cuts in each side of this. So we're going to make these 2 small cuts using our scissors, just as seen on this diagram. Make sure they're not too deep, but enough. So these are creating an elevator. This part will be the elevator. The elevator lifts the plane when it's going downwards and it needs to fly upwards. So we're going to just slightly fold them upwards, so that way our plane will fly. When flying this plane, sometimes the plane can steer towards the right. So if you fly the plane straight and it's going towards the right, you need to fold only the left elevator up. Now, if the plane is flying towards the other side, towards the left side, you need to fold the right elevator up so that it's balancing straight. Now, if the plane is going too much upwards, then you want to put the elevators downwards so that the plane can maintain a downwards straight area. Now, if the plane is flying too much downwards, you want to lift the elevators as such in order for it to go straight across.
Hi! On behalf of everyone here at HobbyQuest, I really hope that you enjoyed this project. You can follow us via Facebook, Instagram, or simply sign up for our newsletter to be the first to know when we release new videos. You can also take a look at the HobbyQuest's online store for more project kits that you can complete at home. However, HobbyQuest is a lot more than just at-home projects. We host hundreds of fun after-school clubs all over the country. So, whether you're interested in building cool model airplanes or helicopters, baffling your friends and family with amazing magic tricks, learning how to take great pictures, or even how to design and create your own outfits and accessories, either way, HobbyQuest has a club to help guide you on your journey. Ask your parents to reach out to us to learn how to bring one of our clubs to your school or to a recreation center near you. Again, we hope you enjoyed this project, and all of us here look forward to helping you on your hobby quest.